Hello and welcome. I'm Xuxu Wang, Chief Data Officer at PredictHQ. Today, I will show you how PredictHQ and Google Vertex AI can significantly enhance your demand forecast, achieving an 11% reduction in MAPE for a retail customer in London. To start, I developed a base demand forecasting model in Vertex AI. So we're going to train a new model, choose the right dataset, and we're going to use AutoML feature here. We're going to name it as a base model. We put the actual demand as a target variable. And I'm gonna opt all the PredictHQ's feature, just use time trend feature to build this base model. After 1.5 hour training time, so the base model has been developed, which has achieved a MAPE of 14%. To enhance this, I followed PredictHQ's technical documentations, starting with the suggested radius API, which determined the optimal radius for event queries specific to our business type and location. For our London retail customer, the suggested radius was 3.59 kilometers. Next, I used the BEAM API, which decomposes our raw demand data into a baseline and residues. Then, I utilized the feature importance API to analyze the residues against all event features, identifying which event features significantly impact demand spikes and anomalies. So here, the BEAM API is key in predicting and selecting the critical external factors that influence our retail's demand patterns. In our example, it's what's clear that event categories such as festivals, conferences, performing arts, concerts, school holidays, and public holiday had a notable statistical impact on demand fluctuations. I then used the feature API to retrieve the most relevant features, which then were merged with the raw demand data. Next, I built an enhanced demand forecasting model, incorporating the historical and superior event data from PredictHQ. The result was a significant improvement, with our model achieving a MAPE of 12%. Finally, I used PredictHQ's BEAM auto value quant model to understand the impact of specific events on this retail customer. Based on the results, so we can see here, the positive demand caused by event at annual level was around 367,000 pounds, while negative demand was around 200,000 pounds at annual level, and the positive demand variability contributes to around 3.92% to the total demand, and the event explains more than 50% of that. The negative demand variability contributes to around 3.5% to the total demand, and the events explains 30% of that. By partnering with PredictHQ, follow our guide and best practice of how to incorporating our event feature into the demand forecasting model, we predict this customer can earn an annual of £898,000 from events, with an additional uplift of more than £500,000 at annual level. Thank you for joining me today. It has been a pleasure to showcase how PredictHQ's technology can enhance Google Vertex AI